Most accounting firms think of tax season as survival season, but what if it's actually the biggest opportunity season of the entire year? Think about it. There's no other time when you have more conversations with your clients. There's no other time when they're more focused on their finances. And there's no other time when they're more open to advice. Yet most of those conversations stay focused on one thing: the past. Last year's income, last year's deductions, last year's results. But the firms that are building the strongest client relationships are doing one small thing differently. They're asking one better question. Instead of only talking about what already happened, they ask something forward looking before the return is finalized. It could be something simple like, what's the biggest financial challenge you expect this year? Or, if we sat down a year from now, what would make this your best financial year yet? That one question can completely change the conversation. Now, instead of just being the historian of last year's numbers, you're stepping into the role of advisor for what's ahead. And here's the best part: this doesn't add hours to your workload during an already busy season. It adds minutes to conversations you're already having. If you want to implement this in your firm, here's a simple 3-step approach. First, pick one forward looking question that everyone on your team asks during tax conversations. Second, track the opportunities that come out of those conversations, things like tax planning needs, bookkeeping challenges, or cash flow issues. And third, schedule a follow up conversation after tax season, something like, let's revisit this after May. Tax season starts the conversation, but the real value often comes from what happens after. The firms that win in the future won't just be the firms that file the most returns. They'll be the firms that turn tax season into opportunity season. Have a great rest of the tax season and check us out at bettereveryday.com and let us know if we can help.